So we're going to start by loosening these two external battery pack screws. Remove the battery pack, and then there are two more screws located inside of the pack here. So go ahead and remove both of those screws and set them aside. And the battery pack comes out of the housing. So we'll set the housing aside, grab your replacement housing, and the pack goes inside like this. We're going to place our two screws back where they were. And then we will screw both down to the torque specified in the product manual. With that together, we will just assemble the battery pack back into the rest of the instrument, powering the unit down when it turns on, and screwing these two external screws down to the torque specified in the product manual.